I with chip.
Hello friends. Today I will guide you how to create cute crabs.
Color paper.
Keep track of your actions. First you need
Scissors.
to prepare the following items. 3 sheets
Pencil.
of colored paper, a scissors, glue and a pencil.
Glue bottle.
Now take the red paper and draw 3 circles consisting of a large and 2 small figures. We repeat on the other 2 sheets.
Yellow.
Now cut us. Be careful with the scissors. The best way are to get help from your parents. Next we cut the circle of 2 equal parts, then use the paste to paste the white paper.
Black.
Now we add more details
Black.
to complete the work.
Darks blue. Darks blue.
Is it easy? If you watch interesting videos, just like and share our videos. And do not forget to subscribe to your channel to update new videos.